Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the JTek soap dispenser machine. This is actually manufactured by a company called Shimeji, as you can see it's written over here. And this is a combo pack. This comes with 4 AA batteries as well. These are the batteries you will need to run this soap dispensing machine. There's not a lot of information here. It says inductive foaming disinfect, smart sensor, ultraviolet disinfection. It comes with infrared sensors. Okay, it says there are 2 settings. The first gear gives you 0.5 grams of foaming, and its second gear gives you 1 gram of foaming. And that's more or less it. I will open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go. These are the components of the box. Right off the bat, we have a user manual. These are basically instructions on how to use this particular inductive foaming disinfect soap dispenser. It shows you what the different components are. I will also show you what these components are. So let's quickly take a look. This is your tank. Basically the soap goes in over here. There are 2 tanks in fact. This is a smaller tank and this is a larger tank, so you can switch between these 2 tanks as per your convenience. And there's also an extra tube, same as this one over here. This is the main dispensing unit, as you can see. So these are your infrared sensors. The idea is you put your hand underneath and soap starts coming out through this nozzle over here, and the batteries will go inside this flap. There you go. There's space for 4 AA batteries over here. What else do we have? Let's put this back on and over here. Let's see if this fits. Yeah, it does fit. So it comes with 2 different tanks. That's a great addition actually. So it depends on how much soap you'll be dispensing at a given moment. Finally, you have this foaming hand sanitizer tablet. Basically, this you add into your soap. This basically you add this to your soap to create foam. This is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the JTek soap dispenser machine. Thank you for watching.